The active part of the distribution transformers are produced having highly permeable core with cold-rolled grain-oriented electrical steel sheets. Step-lap stacking technique is used to provide coil resistance for short-circuit dynamic loads and shock voltages. Core upper yoke is mounted following the coils are placed onto the core legs. The assembly process is continued after checking the voltage ratios. Tap changers are used in high voltage winding to adjust input voltage changes. Porcelain insulators are used for low voltage and high voltage terminal bushings. After the assembly of the active part is completed, coil drying is applied in the oven with 130 degrees centigrade kerosene steam under 0.1 millibar vacuums. The gaps formed in the dried coils are compressed, first in the vertical and then in the horizontal directions. The axial deviations in the short-circuit dynamic forces are compressed with torque meter cross symmetrically.